2000 Arctic Pantera 580. Okay, today we're gonna work on the speedometer. You can see those three nuts down here. There's one, two. Yep, there's a third one. There it is. So inside there, I got that off, and once I got it off, I found out that the needle was broken. So I'm gonna leave the cable and try it out. But here's what the needle looked like. You can see it's pretty hatched. The one I got for replacement was much longer, but I'll put that part number in the bottom of the YouTube video. But the short piece was on the outside area on that part, and the other part was inside the drive shaft, I believe. And boy, there's just a little bit sticking out, like about that much sticking out. Hardly anything. I tried needle nose. That wasn't enough to grab it. This one was just awkward. Linesman's pliers, which are usually pretty good at grabbing stuff, couldn't do it. And I got these on there, just barely, just clipped on enough. And I just twisted it towards the seat, and it came free. I had just about given up. I didn't think I was ever gonna get that out, and luckily I did. But now she should work. Got a speedometer again. So let's close this stuff up, pin it, and then I'll have to haul it somewhere to drive it. All right, so here's the deal. Those three nuts, took a 1/2 inch socket, here's the eBay parts that came in the mail. So this one that got a little bit of a bend in it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna fire her up and see if the speedometer works. Let's say it works. Success, just a needle. Good luck with your project.